who doesn't love to eat mango in summer season? This kind of juicy mango is very tasty to eat. Now it's not just delicious to eat, it also has many benefits for our health. If you eat mango every day, its high vitamin C content helps support your body's natural collagen production. If you are facing premature aging like sagging skin, wrinkles, then this is surely a great fruit to add in your diet. Now we will use this fruit in a slightly different way. We will make one of the best face pack with it, which will not just be used for anti-aging purpose, also gives you soft, supple, glowing skin this season. Now we will take 2 to 3 teaspoons of this beautifully blended mango pulp. You can take more for yourself, but keeping the proportions of every ingredient rightly. Now we come to the second ingredient to make this beautiful homemade face pack. This nut is a great source of vitamin E, antioxidants and omega-3. So, if you want to make a good ayurvedic face pack which will give you glowing bright skin from every angle, then this is really a good ingredient to add in our skin care regime. You need to soak these almonds in a bowl of water for about 8 hours. Then remove the peel carefully. Its incredible moisturizing properties works great for dry skin. Routinely use can make your skin soft, supple, healthy and wrinkle-free day by day. Now wash it well and make a good paste with blender or grinder. If you grind it well, you will notice that light oil has started coming out of it, which makes this DIY remedy one step more effective. We will show you how to make almond oil at home one day. Now take 1 teaspoon of paste from here and add this with the mango pulp. Now we are going to add 1 teaspoon of raw organic honey. Its natural humectant properties hydrates skin and antioxidants gives us a healthy skin. Chickpea flour is very popular natural kitchen ingredient which has been using from centuries to get glowing skin. Now we are taking 1 teaspoon of this besan powder to make this face pack more effective. Mix it well until gets a creamy texture. Now apply on face and keep it until dry. Then wash it with cool water. You can use 2 to 3 alternative days in a week.